Hello children, in this video we discuss about the chapter Sources of Food class 6. Learning outcomes. At the end of this video you will be able to explain functions of food, recognize the staple food of various region, ingredients used in different food items, and also we will discuss about nutrition and nutrients. So let's start the video. Before start, be sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel. Now think what happened if a person goes without food for a week or for 3 to 4 days. Would he feel energetic? Obviously no. He does not feel energetic. Food is our basic requirement. We cannot survive without food. So let's understand first about food. What is food? Food is any substance that we consume for nourishment, growth, and development. There are certain substances in food that are essential for the growth and development of our body, and these substances are called nutrients. The process of intake of food and its utilization by our body is known as the nutrition. Now we come and understand the topic functions of food. Students, food perform many functions for our body. We discuss few topics. Produce energy. We need food to get energy to do various activities. Growth. Food is essential for growth. For example, it helps a baby grow into an adult. Repair. We need food to repair the damaged cells and tissues. Protection. We need food to protect our body from disease and keep it healthy. So various functions of the foods are there that we can categorize. It produces energy. It is important for growth. It also helps to repair the damaged tissues and cells in our body, and we need food to protect our body from different diseases. Now we come to the topic variety of food. Do you like to eat the same food every time? No. No one likes the same food to eat every time. We all eat different kinds of foods at different times. There is a lot of variety in the food that we eat, and in our country, in the northern parts of India, people usually prefer chapatis and pulses. But for the people, those who are in southern part and eastern parts of India, rice is first preference. Now I am going to explain you about the term staple food. What is staple food? The food that is consumed most often by the people of a particular region is called the staple food. In northern India, wheat is the staple food of the people. It is used to make chapati, paratha and puri. However, in the southern India, rice is the staple food because rice is used to make dishes like idli, dosa, lemon rice, curd rice, etc. So for the northern India, the staple food is wheat, and for the southern part, the staple food is rice. There is so much variety in the food that people eat across the country. Now we discuss about ingredients. Have you ever thought what these foods are made of? Some foods are made of just one or two substances, while others are made of many substances. These substances or components are known as the ingredients. Substances or components used to make a food item are called ingredients. Now I am giving you a simple example. Tea. What are the ingredients required for tea? The ingredients are milk, sugar and tea leaves. So these components are known as the ingredients. In the next video, we discuss about the topic sources of food, plants as source of food.